All right, so this is an owl that you could put up on your house or a tree to keep birds and stuff away. On the bottom, you do have a little screw to take the battery out. And then you have on 1 and on 2. So if I flip it to on 2, you can see the the lights for the eyes come on. And it's quiet. All right, and it is motion activated, so it will kind of come off and on. See how they're off and on this end. And then if I go to on 1, it makes different noises. So I mean, we're going to use this for a Halloween decoration. So I'm not sure if I want to sound activated or not. It is kind of creepy though. But yeah, so, and it's even got these little metal things here can kind of come in and out, and you can use those to mount it to something. So we're going to mount it, and I'll show you what it looks like.